What's the meaning of American League? American League. American League. American League. American League. American League.
The American League is one of the two leagues in Major League Baseball (MLB). It was founded in 1901 and consists of 15 teams located throughout the United States and Canada. The league operates under slightly different rules than the National League, including the use of a designated hitter instead of pitchers batting. The American League champion competes against the National League champion in the World Series each year. The league has produced many legendary players and teams throughout its history, making it an integral part of professional baseball in America.